Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your Carrot Cash in the Hopper app and how to use your discounts. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Hopper app, and then on the top of the screen, you will see this little carrot icon and an amount of dollars right near to it. And when you tap on it, you will see your Hopper wallet. And it's going to say that shop with carrots and save. Your Hopper wallet contains all your Carrot Cash applicable to bookings with Hopper. Each offer is valid for one time use only and cannot be split. So on total, I have 18 US dollars in Carrot Cash, and I can use it on these two offers. I can use $10 off for my first hotel booking, which is valid on hotels prepaid on Hopper, cannot be combined with other Carrot Cash, and expires on February the 1st in 2022. And I also have an $8 off for my first flight booking, valid on new flights bookings, cannot be combined with other Carrot Cash, and expires on the same day. So these are all the discounts. Now you can receive Carrot Cash and discounts if you use the app. They reward regular users, and they have different programs where you can receive more Carrot Cash. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.